No Madtown? No Conroy? I can't handle this.
Yeah, where are we gonna skate, guys? Next thing you know, they're gonna outlaw skateboards. Oh, look who it is.
Mr. Gollum has assured me he is doing his utmost. Perfectly logical explanation.
It's Carl Weathers.
Makes direction and for dreams. Oh, for God. Yes, everything's okay.
Alright. Let's vandalize some cars. Still looking for some coins. Where could they be? Not around here. Alright. Too cool for school. Look at that. Alright, there should be a coin somewhere around here. What is this?
Hi, Mackenzie. How's it going?
What do you want? Oh, let me guess. How did you...
Oh, we already saw this.
Let's try.
Okay. I'm gonna search for the coins, Miss. Alright, where's it at? There we go. Boom, 7 more. Who's this?
Good day, citizens. I imagine you're surprised by our missing sand,
Well, duh, Oliver. What else has happened that will told you?
It's Oliver the Twist.
Yes, well, I have my own little hypothesis to add. I heard heavy machinery sounds and loud sucking noises coming from the
Loud
beach last
sucking
night.
noises.
I suspect our sand has been deliberately stolen. But the main mystery I could not figure out was why, Oliver, why? What possible use could anyone have for all this sand? Finally, I worked it all out. A work of genius, if I do say so myself.
So tell us.
Yes, well, I suppose I must. The ocean shore sand is very pure and conductive to electricity. This will make it the perfect raw material for silicon computer chips.
Oh man.
Someone has taken our sand to produce electronic
Steve
equipment of
Jobs.
some kind.
Okay, Oliver. We'll keep an eye out for giant toasters or something. Let's go, gang.
Alright. There's gotta be coins somewhere. Gotta go back into town. And there we are. Oh Tito, Tito. The flying Hawaiian. Greatest surfer of all time. Greatest burgers of all time as well. Oh, you can change characters. Oh, okay. So we haven't done Twister yet. Let's be Twister.
saw some action.
Here we go. Oh, there should be a lot of coins around here. There we go.
Right on!
Alright, 6 more. Oh, found one. You missed it, Twister. It's back there. Come on, man. This is embarrassing, Twister.
Nice dismount.
Oh, God. You were obviously the wrong choice. There we go.
Right on! That's it, I
Ugh. Alright, what else do we have here? There's one. 360.
Right on!
Son of a bitch. This is gonna take a while. Alright, screw the blades, we gotta walk. Now look at how easy that was.
Right on!
Alright, 2 more.
Right on!
Where could they be? Probably all the way on the other side. Yo, yo, yo! Another coin.
Right on!
There's gotta be one down here. Here we go, Otto! Reggie, we did it!
Cool!
Look at this. Oh!
Third again?
Yeah, let me grind on this car real quick. Look at that. Alright, we did it. We did it, we did it, we did it.